Hey everybody, this is Jim, and I'm going to give you an overview of the MyPhotoApp framework. So on the top left we have MyPhotoApp.com, on the top right we have the version number. This is version 6.2. The nice thing about using MyPhotoApp is as new features and functions are added to MyPhotoApp, you don't need to pay for anything or to download it. You'll have immediate access to the new features. Here's a drop down for your brands. When you first sign up, you have one brand. You can add more brands if you like. I just have one here. And you can switch between brands. And brands are important if you have like multiple divisions in your company, like maybe a senior portrait division and a child portrait division that has different color schemes, different logo, maybe different contact information. Then you would consider maybe having a different brand. Most companies are happy with one brand. Another use of a brand is if you have a vendor friend or another friend who has a company, you can create apps for them and you can separate them from your own apps. Here's a drop-down list for the various apps as you build. I only have one in here. This one's called First. If I want to change to a different app, I'd select it in there if I had more than one. I can rename this app. So if I want to change it from First to something else, I click on the rename button and it'll let me enter a new name for an app. I can delete an app. It'll give me a confirm dialog here. Click yes to really delete it. I don't want to do that. So cancel it or click the X up there. And as you get a bunch of apps and you want to go back to a previous one, currently the apps are displayed by the last time you built one. So this is important, or it makes it easy for working on current ones. If you want to look for a certain one, then if it's sorted by date, it's kind of hard to find. So what you can do is switch it to sorted by name, and then just alphabetically, you can go find your app pretty quick to go work on one. If you want to create a new app, as we showed in the wizard, you can go down here and create an app, or you can do this, click this button to create a new app, and it'll prompt you for a name of an app and then throw you into the builder and let you build an app using the builder. And we can log out. Let's go through the tabs right quick. Here's the builder tab. There's going to be a separate video that will show you how to not only create an app using the builder, but also go into high level of detail of all the features and functions of the builder. We have the help tab, which has these instructional videos in here. I'll be adding videos, so this will get bigger over time. We have a knowledge base, which has some frequently asked questions or some helpful things. And here's a key one, the referral program. That's pretty cool because if you refer people to MyPhotoApp, you get free time and they get a discount as well. What's new shows you what's been added to the various versions of MyPhotoApp. Let's go to the Setup tab. Let's start on the left. We've got the user, which has the user password. You can change your password here if you want. We can add a brand new brand. As I mentioned before, we have brands. This is where you do it. You put a brand name and click add a new brand. We have the concept of an email campaign. An email campaign is where you can collect people's emails who use your apps, and then you can download those collected emails to use them for marketing or however you want to use those emails. We have this concept of a custom URL where you can change the default URL, which is this m.mpapp.com, sort of a generic kind of URL, to your own domain URL if you want. We have the license tab, which shows when your license expires. Mine expires in 2024, and you can extend your license by clicking a subscription down here by entering this information. We have this analytics tab, and it's not really useful with only one app showing you it right here. But over time, these graphs get very interesting as you can see the various trends and how they're being used. And you can show them as a line, you can show them as a bar chart, or you can show yearly, which is kind of pretty cool. This shows in December it's gone up, and then next year it'll show the 2 years so you can see if you're growing year over year. You can view different metrics. You got the views, installs, unique devices, and app detail usage. You can select by your app if you look at an app versus all of them. So if I just want to look at the first app, which was the same as all because I only have one app, you can select your different metrics like app detail usage, and it shows you not only your views, installs, and devices, but by type. where were these things actually displayed. So there's lots of detailed information here on the Analytics tab. And then we have the Wizard tab, which we showed before, which is a quick and easy way to build your apps. Thanks, and looking forward to talking to you in the next video. Bye.